My check. He says B and the B, he says C and the C. So bro, stop trying to be a G. Open your eyes and see the Milky Way and seize the creation of Bruce Lee. The honey is so sweet. Imagine it coming out of the belly of a beast known as the bee. Even with that he heals. Charlie Allah the bee, so put his keke on fleek. I wonder how he feeds the birds that reap without sowing a seed. So Mr. Atheist, your logic is meek and your standard of deviation is mean. He did challenge you indeed to provide just a sheet with words similar to that of Al-Quran al-Kareem. He powered the brains of Einstein and inspired Ejako with stupidity. Screw the legs of Stoneboy and let loose the mouth of Shatawali. He made the Hamatan attractive to dry lips. Women in high heels with nice hips attracted to men with nice whips. Check the eyelids, protective of the eyes and in line with a virgin's hymen. The Lord of Poseidon resides in Baitul Ma'mur, your highness. He may kill you today but cause you to die tomorrow. Resurrect the day after and immortalize our woe. The Lord who can drown a whale in a raindrop. The Lord whose will suspends a bird on a treetop. Sustainer of the earth and its awe. The one with the knowledge of the particles of the seashore. His blessings come in doubles. Dua call. The bee and the bee, let him utter. And the sun will moon in shyness. The earth will sink in the ocean. Space will flood with mercy, quenching the stars of their fame. For he is the only celebrity, the puzzle of knowledge, the all-knowing author of the scrolls of history, and thy kingdom come, who knew the destiny of the ink, used to scribble destiny. Halitan halitu me ilimin gaibi, one day shimfide kasai, one day shanya samai, one day karfafaduwar wasu, rana ya tashi ya fadi, wannan kawai na iya bamu labari, ilimin Allah na da kwari, da karyan kasa, da girman shi, wallahi, ba ilahi, iskoki da balahi, ku duba a cikin sahih Buhari, a bayan shi, komi yayi kankani kaman kwayen gashi. Call upon them, the Spartans and Titans, demigods with flaws, making laws, but even Zeus claimed to be the Lord of Olympus. Christ, hear me, O Athena, the Lord our God is one, the only and best of creators. The Lord who cautions the rain not to shine, the sun not to fall in autumn, seas yell waves and earth emits clay, Mars becomes the hell of heat, Milky Way, the narrowest of his paths. And yes, he can, the blind see a ghost, the rain will shine in his spine, the sun will fall in drizzles. He tests his creatures with measles, then separated Frodo from Smeagol. Would you rather be Sam or Digo, Igor, Kalgarov, Charlie, you know be Morph, God day, what tell baby.